welcome back to the dollhouse. Today I'm going to show you how I make my curls come back in my hair. So what I have done, I've brushed all the curls out, brushed all the kinks out. So now I'm going to show you guys what do I use to get my curls back. I use this. I also use just water, and I also use this. So I'm going to be wetting my hair. You want to basically soak the hair. You want it to get real wet. And you know what? It's really time consuming if you just dip your hair and wet it. And if you have a lot of hair, you really want to make sure you get in the inside. That's why I say sometimes if I'm trying to hurry up, I'll just, just soak the hair down. Not using this spray bottle, but just, Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to show you guys this. And I also use this right here. So you guys, it doesn't matter what order you go in. So now I'm basically just putting the oil in my hands, rubbing it on top of the hair. And you want to make sure you get your ends for sure. You can use a brush. Sometimes I use a brush, sometimes I use my fingers, but a brush helps out a lot. And what I'm doing, I'm just making sure I've put this just all through the hair. And see, some of the hair is still dry on the inside because it's a lot of hair. You have to make sure the hair is basically soaked. Oh, and don't forget the top. Okay, now the hair is all the way wet. I basically soaked the hair down. So remember, so far I just have water and oil in my hair. So far. And make sure you get up to your closure or up to the top of your hair. Frontal or whatever you might have in. So just by wetting the hair and putting this on here, so far the hair is back curly. So you can get your brush. You can brush it if you like. You can brush it. Let's see, trying to just see how the ends look. Because the ends is, oh my, because I know some ends. Let's see. So now I take some of this and I put it in my hand and I put it on my hair. I put it on the ends first. I wipe it on the ends and I come up with it. And I basically do the shingling. I basically just take my hands through the hair and rub it all the way through. And I take some more, squeeze it in my hand. And this right here, I got this from Hair Crown. And when I say it helped my curly game, oh my, it helped a lot. So if you don't use anything that I'm telling you to use, try this. This works good on curly hair. So I'm just making sure that it's all the way through the hair in the back. Put it in the back of my hair. Now this how the curls looking. Now remember I combed my hair all the way out. And the curls are coming back in. The closure is from Isee hair. But this is the same curly hair. But the closure is from isee hair. Then I take, after that, I take my mousse. And I put my mousse on there. Make sure you put everything to the end of this hair. All these products, make sure you get your ends of your hair. This how we looking. then that's all I do to the hair. That's it. So I use them. So this is how the hair looking. I've wet it. I put all 3 of the products on there you saw me use, and this how the hair came out looking. Sometimes, like, if I don't want it to look like this, I want it to hurry up and dry, I'll blow dry it. I just take it and just put the blow dryer on it. But this how the hair is looking. And I did take my brush. You guys didn't see me. I took the brush and I brush through the hair. And this is the same hair I had in last time. I'll leave a video below. Only thing different is I have a closure, and the closure is by isee. And this basically how the hair is looking. So I have the hair combed out. Normally I will comb from the bottom all the way up to the top, but since I combed it out already, so I'm gonna turn around and let you guys see the back of the hair. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm looking in my mirror right there. I think I wet the back good. So you guys, thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, comment, and please subscribe, you guys. Hit the notification bell so you'll be alarmed every time that I post a video. I'm going to have my last video when I review this hair, and I will have that down below. So if you want to check that video out, I'll have that down. But this is the result of the hair, and I only used these 3 items. This, and this. This is what I use to accomplish this. And also, of course, this. So, you guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. If I don't do another video before Christmas, but I'm sure I will. Merry Christmas.